Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, the end of week 10. Just some quick announcements. Just to let everybody know, don't worry about any replies this week. Those will just be automatically given to you for points, so you don't have to worry about posting a reply. Other than that, as long as you post that initial post, you did great. But other than that, just want to give some heads up. Should see the discussion posts. You should see the announcements pop up on Monday. Just keep an eye up that you do have your projects due tomorrow and your lecture assignments. Everything should be shared. If there should be any questions, just send me a message and I'll definitely send the materials if anything's missing. But other than that, just want to say great job on all your work. Really improved. Awesome job. Can't wait to see the final products for week 10 so we can see the presentations on week 11. Just to give everybody an announcement, do double check and check out the presentations for week 11 because you can either do it live for the lecture or do it for the discussion. But make sure that you post everything that you need and look at the rubrics and stuff when they post, all right? I'll go more into detail on the announcement, but hopefully I'll see you during lecture with that. But just to give you a heads up, I want that to be right in your mind so you're ready to go for that. But all in all, that's pretty much it. I just want you to be ready. Enjoy the weekend. Finish what you can. If you have any questions, just let me know. But yes, we're almost there. 1 week left. I'm really excited about that. That's pretty much it. All right, my friends. Be safe. Have fun. Enjoy. And if you need me, just give me a holler. Have a good one.